Hi there, what's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that I know a lot of you have been curious about. How to cancel your Hoop membership. Whether you are looking to take a break or just want to move on to something new, I have got you covered. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's get into it. Step 1. Log into your account. First thing first, you are gonna want to log into your Hoop account. You can do this on the Hoop app or their website. Just make sure you have your login details handy. And hey, if you are like me and constantly forget your password, don't worry. There's always a forget password link to save the day. Next up, step 2. Navigate to membership settings. Once you are logged in, head over to the membership settings. It's usually in the account section, so look for your profile icon or the settings gear. This is where all the magic happens. Now head to the step 3. Find the cancellation option. Now here's where things get real. You will need to scroll down until you find the cancellation option. It might be hidden under manage membership or something similar. Hoop doesn't exactly put this option front and center, so take your time to explore the menu. Next, step 4. Follow the prompts. Once you have found it, follow the prompts to cancel your membership. They will probably ask you why you are leaving. Hey, it's optional, but it's always good to give a feedback. This might also be where you learn about any cancellation fee or the end of your billing cycle. So keep an eye out of these details. Heading toward confirmation. Step 5. After you have got through all the steps, you should receive a confirmation mail. Make sure you keep this email safe as proof that you have cancelled your membership. If you don't see it, check your spam folder or just recheck that you completed the process. Tips and common issues. A quick tip here. If you are within a contract period, you might have some fees and obligations. It's always worth double checking your contract details before you hit the cancel button. Also, if you are having travel cancelling online, don't hesitate to contact their customer support for some extra help. And there you have it. You have successfully cancelled your Hoop membership. Whether you are moving on to the new fitness tracker or just taking a break, it's always good to know how to manage your subscriptions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Drop any questions or future video requests in the comments below and I will catch you in the next one. Take care and stay awesome.